Code Red. Google co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin called to AI strategy meeting. Written by LiquidOcelot. Introduction. Google is taking the threat posed by ChatGPT seriously, as co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin have been called to a meeting to discuss the company's artificial intelligence strategy. The New York Times reported that Google issued a code red in response to the release of the controversial chatbot, sparking concerns about its potential impact on Google's searches. In this blog post, we will discuss the implications of this move and what it means for Google's future. What did Larry Page and Sergey Brin discuss in their meeting? After OpenAI's writing tool was released, Alphabet called on its co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin for help. The New York Times reported Page and Brin reportedly held several meetings with executives last month to strategize about Google's artificial intelligence AI plans and approved plans to incorporate more chatbot features into its search engine. An unnamed source told the newspaper that Page and Brin had not been closely involved in the company's operations since 2019 and only visited the Silicon Valley offices to check in on its moonshot projects. An Alphabet representative told the Times that they are continuing to test their AI technology internally to make sure it's helpful and safe, and they look forward to sharing more experiences externally soon. One of the AI tools discussed in these meetings was the chatbot ChatGPT, which insider reported amassing 1 million users in just 5 days. ChatGPT streamlines the search process and can take on complex tasks such as writing a children's book, responding to Hinge matches, writing cover letters, and even giving career coaching advice. It remains to be seen how Google will use this AI technology going forward. But Page and Brin's involvement in the strategy meeting shows that Google is taking steps to stay ahead of the competition in the AI arena. What is the future of Google search? The future of Google search is likely to involve more chatbot features. According to a representative of Alphabet, we continue to test our AI technology internally to make sure it's helpful and safe, and we look forward to sharing more experiences externally soon. This suggests that Google is continuing to develop and test its AI technology before releasing it out into the world. It is clear that the future of Google search will be powered by artificial intelligence and chatbot features. With the help of Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Google looks set to revolutionize the way people use its search engine in the near future.